It's Friday morning, we've got work to prune. The sun beats down to ditto, wide awake and all alone in our little room. Out in the heat, the wheels they're spinning round. There'll be no shelter, only the sound of rain. In and out, heart, it only hurts a little while, a little while. That's all we get. Scars, gaps from who we are. A little while, a little while. Cartier, your little wild card and pull, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Monday evening, things are freezing. Ice is outside, faith is fleeting. Waking up, there'll be no light. Warmth beside me, all that I need. Tank is empty, but I feel friendly. Waking up will always be a fight. Heart, it only hurts a little while, a little while. That's all we get. Scars, gaps from who we are. A little while, Cartier. Your little wild heart ain't stopped yet. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And I eventually heard the squirrel clicking from the tree, and I clicked a few times, and it came down from the tree, like, to the ground, and I threw some nuts, and it came up to me. Eventually came over to my patio, rolled up the stairs, because I went upstairs up the patio, and like, over like 2 weeks, it got to that point, it started getting on the ground. It would run around, and then it went in my house. It ran around in my house, it's like a college band apartment, so it's crazy, and I didn't really care. I was like, I can't believe the squirrels in my house.
That is so cool.